How to delete or uninstall third-party app access on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and navigate to Google option. Tap on it. Once you access Google services, tap all services. On the setting for Google Apps, select connected apps. Here you see all the list of third-party apps that have access to your Google account or device setting. You can find and tap on the app you want to remove. Now tap and delete all connections that you have with this app at bottom of your screen, and now you simply need to select the confirm icon at bottom right corner to ensure that the app will be disconnected from your device or Google account once you tap confirm. And this process ensures that third-party apps no longer have access to your device even after they have been uninstalled. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.